Jennifer, and I'm so happy you're here because today I am hosting a 4th of July party. I'm super excited about it and I cannot wait till my company arrives. Before we get started, don't forget to like and subscribe. The first thing I'm going to do is get my chocolate peanut butter brownies in the oven. I've added some pecans on top. I'm so excited to see how these are going to turn out. I'm also making a pasta salad. I'm getting my pasta salad mixed up. Tomorrow before my guests come, I'll put in some fresh feta cheese. The peanut butter pecan brownies just came out of the oven. They look and smell amazing. I just made some patriotic red, white, and blue chocolate covered strawberries. I'm going to get these to the refrigerator so they can set up. I am making a recipe called Tennessee onions. It's going to be so delicious and so cheesy. I have my Tennessee onions almost ready to go. I have sliced my onions and put them in a sprayed casserole dish. I've seasoned them with oregano, some salt, some garlic powder, and some butter. Now it's time to put on the cheese. I have my Tennessee onions ready to put in the oven. I have Parmesan cheese, cheddar cheese, and mixed Italian blend cheese. I'm going to put them in at 350 for 35 to 45 minutes. And here's my dessert tray with the homemade peanut butter chocolate pecan brownies and the wonderful patriotic strawberries dipped in chocolate with blue sprinkles. My dining room is all set for my guests. I have a small bear in the entryway to welcome my guests when they come in. I have my table all set with extra napkins and flowers and a red, white, and blue theme. I added a patriotic ribbon to the wreath in my dining room, as well as a couple of little extra accents. These candles are going to be gifts for my friends that are attending the dinner party tonight. I always love to send my friends home with a special little gift when they come to visit. And these are beautiful patriotic candles that I tied a ribbon on the front. I'm also using them as decorations during my party, and then I'll just send them home with my guests when they go home. I also added a patriotic candle to my kitchen. My Tennessee onions are in the oven right now, but I added this cute little cloth to my oven door. I love to keep things simple, so I just added a felt garland to my fireplace. I added a needlepoint pillow to this chair. I set up a buffet serving area, and this is where I'm going to put the food for my guests. It'll be easy and fun for them to get their own things when they go through the buffet line. I have another gift here, and then in this little plant, I just put an American flag. I have a basket that I wrapped a ribbon around and just taped it. This is where I'll put the rolls to go with our dinner. A cute little dog from the Dollar Tree in his patriotic gear. A beautiful firecracker decoration from my friend Lisa. Isn't this adorable? I absolutely love it. I also found some coordinating stars at Hobby Lobby, as well as this beautiful little spoon rest. I put some paper towels in this adorable little patriotic bucket. This is actually a notepad, a big thick notepad. I thought it was just so adorable, and my husband Alan got that for me. I just tied a little ribbon around that little dog. On this buffet table, I just added another little napkin. This was a 4-pack of napkins from Hobby Lobby. And here's Alan shredding the pulled pork and the barbecue ribs that he made. It smells amazing. My guests have just gone home from the 4th of July party. We all had such a wonderful time, and the food that Alan cooked on the smoker grill was absolutely delicious. We all loved it so much, and the side dishes were good. The brownies, chocolate-covered strawberries, they were all just scrumptious. It was so nice celebrating this very special, wonderful holiday. and I am so glad you were here for it. I appreciate it so much. I would also appreciate if you would hit the like and subscribe button, and I'll see you next time. Happy 4th of July.